Hey VC, welcome to Five Hole Audio. I'm Dirk, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my latest Vinyl Me Please acquisition. It just came in the mail. I actually exchanged my record of the month for a different one. I wasn't interested in the ones that they had available this month. So I chose this one, which is a record that I've wanted for a really long time. I used to have the CD of it. It was really fantastic. Still is a fantastic album. Here you can see the way that the record is packaged. They do nice, secure packaging. Came with a sticker in there. And here's the Buena Vista Social Club. 2 LPs and a gatefold cover. Pop it open and have a look at it. So the little sticker on the front here says that it was Grammy Award winning album and that it was remastered by Bernie Grundman, who did the original mastering for it. And it's on a brick red vinyl. So comes with an obi, which all of them do. It's just got title, a little bit of information about the album. And then this album came with a nice collector's print. I can't remember his name. Ibrahim, I can't think of his last name right now, is the person in the image. So the cover's got a really nice printing job. Gatefold opens up a picture of the band. Sort of matte finish, which resembles the original CD release. It's the brick red vinyl. Comes inside a paper sleeve with a poly lining. And it came with a nice book or booklet. A lot of photographs of the recording sessions, as well as some information about each of the tracks. Really nicely put together. Gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the package that they put together for this. Often it comes with a little booklet that's got a liner notes written in it. This is certainly more extensive. So if the album has got as good a sound as the quality of the packaging, it's going to be awesome. Can't wait to spin it. Just thought I'd give you a quick unboxing and have a great rest of your day. See you later.